Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Short Form and Crazy Haircut. I hope you're all fine. In this video, I will talk about short hairstyles. Short hairstyles are bold statement of confidence and sass. They are a declaration of independence, a rejection of ordinary, and a celebration of individuality. With a short hairstyle, you are not just wearing a haircut, you are wearing a attitude, a vibe, and a whole long of swagger. Whether you are looking rocking and the sleek and shiny bob, a spiky and eggy pixie cut, or a smooth and sophisticated fade. Short hairstyles are the ultimate expression of self expression and personal freedom. So go ahead and chop those looks. You never know what kind of awesomeness you will unleash. Here are unique and different styles of short pixie haircut. Short pixie haircut is more than just a hairstyle. It is a transformation. It is the spidey of the old skin, a rebirth of confidence, and the declaration of independence. With the choppy layer and bold angular lines, a pixie cut is the statement of the fearlessness and the audacity. It's a haircut that says, I am not afraid to take risks, to stand out from the crowd, and to be unapologetically myself. A short pixie haircut is the liberating experience, freeing you from a shackles of long, heavy looks and the unleashing a sense of freedom and the empowerment. It's a haircut that accumulates the eyes and the brows and the contours of your face, giving you a fresh, youthful, and the radiant look that is impossible to ignore. You are a seasoned fashionista or the timed trend follower. A short pixie haircut is the game changer. It is the haircut that will make you feel like a rock star and rebel and the true regional. Short pixie haircut is the work of art and the masterpiece of previous and the creativity. It is the haircut that requires skills, patience, and the keen eyes for detail. As every snip and the clip must be carefully calculated to create a harmonious and the balance of shape and texture, but the end of the result it is the well worth the efforts. At a short pixie haircut can be added a touch of sophistication and the elegance to even the most casual of outfits. Haircut that exudate confidence and pose, a haircut that says I know who I am and I am not afraid to show it. With its sleek lines and the chic androgynous vibes, a short pixie haircut is the transcends genders and the age, and the haircut that can the want to everyone who dares to be different. So, if you are feeling bold, daring, and ready to take your style to the next level, a short pixie haircut is the perfect choice. It is the haircut that will make you stand out from the crowd, a haircut that will make you feel like the true icon. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. I hope you like my video about short pixie haircut. It is very awesome and very beautiful new styles of short pixie haircut. It's make your personality more enhanced. Short pixie haircut is more than just a hairstyle. It is the transformation. It is the shedding of old skin and rebirth of confidence and declaration of independence. This cut is the masterpiece blend of the classic bob pixie style. It is very important for new styles of look. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. See you soon. Thank you. Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Short Form and Crazy Haircut. I hope you're all fine. In this video, I will talk about short hairstyles. Short hairstyles are bold statement of confidence and sass. They are a declaration of independence, a rejection of ordinary